This chapter is named as power play, but actually this chapter is called as the chapter of exponents. In many books, this will be called as laws of exponent, right? So there will be many laws which you learn in grade 8, but you will be using them throughout, even up beyond your 12th standard to your graduation, post-graduation. So understanding them is very important, okay? The initial first exercise need not go to open the textbook. I'll say when to open the textbook. Now give it close. Pay attention here. The initial exercise out here is very easy. The initial exercise will be only simplification of problems, which won't be that much tough. Open the notebook, open the book, close the book. This means only the textbook to be closed. Okay. So let's understand where exponents come. Exponents actually help us simplify some complex calculations. Therefore, it is very, very handy. It helps you to simplify complex calculations. Now, what are these complex calculations? In order to simplify, we will be following certain laws, and those laws will be called laws of exponent. And you have to know these laws. You have to understand when to apply these laws in what problem. So this is an advanced topic. ये cube and cube roots and squares and square root जैसा उतना easy नहीं लगेगा आपको, ठीक है? पर अगर आप meticulously करते रहोगे, it will come in your tips. Understood? Right. So let's understand what is exponent. Suppose a number, we have a number 2 and we multiply 2 times. So I can write it in an exponential form as 2 square, which you have already studied, right? Similarly, in the previous chapter, you have also studied if 2 was multiplied 3 times, then you can write it as 2 to the power 3. These two you are familiar with now, right? But if I say that I am multiplying 2 4 times, then though you have not studied, but logically you can deduce that it is 2 to the power 4. Understood? Which means that if there is a number and you have something as power, it means that number is being multiplied that many number of times. Do you understand? So if I write, say for example, I write 2 to the power n, it means 2 is multiplied once, twice, thrice, and I don't know, some n times. Have you understood? So I write it as 2 to the power n, where n can be any number, n can be a natural number. Where I say n is a natural number. Is this statement understood or not? Natural number means, say n is 23. So 2 is being multiplied how many number of times? 23 number of times. So why is it helpful to us? First of all, instead of writing so many things of a repetitive fashion, it gives me a shorthand notation to write a number. Is this understood? Shorthand notation. This is just a shorthand notation where I write 2 to the power 3. Is this clear? So say I have any number a and I write a to the power n, where a can be any number and n is the power. In such a case, n is called the exponent. Many books will write it also as power. All are same. And many books may also write the word indices or the index. All three means the same. We will be using either this word more or this word more. And a is known as the base. Get this thing clear. 2 to the power 3 means 2 is base. The base is always raised to the exponent. How to remember? How to remember? The way you remember is base raised to the power of whatever. Base raised to the power of so and so. So if you write 2 to the power 3, it means 2 raised to the power of 3, which means 2 is being multiplied 3 times. Anything that you have not understood so far? You all are not writing anything. You all are in grade 8 now. As the teacher writes, start the habit of writing. If you don't write, I have nothing to say. But this will not enter your memory. Nobody will tell you now, children, write, we will rub the board, because you are in higher class now. I will be in my teaching flow. I'll keep on changing the board. Or if this was a blackboard, I would have rubbed it by now. Then how will you write? If this is a blackboard, I would have by now rubbed it. है ना? Digital है करके आपको मिल रहा है. Earlier we used to teach in whiteboard. So whiteboard means we will rub it. There is nothing in maths listening to story. Listening will not make you remember anything. Is this clear? Shall I go ahead now? See, otherwise my flow stops. And not that I write everything, you write everything. You'll learn to mature. You write what you find important takeaway from here. Somebody may not write this example. Somebody may not write this. Somebody may write only this part. What you think is important, you start writing it. So far in our discussion, we have learned two things. What is an exponent and what is a base? And how do you write a repetitive multiplication in the form of a base and exponent? Is this clear? Okay. Let's go a little bit, one step further. Now, the question arises, the exponent can take what all values? Well, the exponent can be a 0. Exponent can be 0. The exponent can be an integer. The exponent can also be a rational number. And the exponent in other cases, in higher cases, can also be a real number. It can be something like 2 to the power 1.5. That is also possible. Though this case you will not do. Means what I'm trying to say, if I give you an example, it can be 2 to the power 0. It can be 2 to the power 1, or it can be 2 to the power minus 1. These are integers. It can be 2 to the power 2 by 3. It can also be 2 to the power minus 3 by 2. It can also be 2 to the power 2.5. This is also possible. Because 2.5 can be represented as 25 by 10. These all are possible. Exponents can all be all this. Initially, we will be dealing with integers. Then we'll slowly see whether rational numbers we are able to do or not. Everything will come up. Is this clear? And similarly, what about your base? What about the base? The base can be 0 is also an integer. So 0 I have written separately because this has a different meaning. The base can be an integer. The base can also be a real number. Real number itself means, see, when you write real number means rational number, integer, 0. All are actually inside real number. Have you understood? What do you mean by a real number? A real number is something like this. Say you are seeing from minus infinity to infinity. What is a real number? A real number can be a 1. A real number can be 0. Anything that is real. A real number can be minus 1. A real number can be half. A real number can be something out here which is a 0.3333 recurring. These are all real numbers. समझ में आ रहा है? So ये सब अलग अलग से लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. मैं रियल नंबर ही लिख सकता था, बट आप समझोगे नहीं इसलिए मैंने दिखाया कि डेसिमल्स भी आ सकते हैं. Similarly in base it can be always a real number. So it can be an integer, it can be 0, it can be a rational number. These are all possible. ठीक है? Up till here any doubt? Right. So a number can be minus 1 to the power 2. A number can be 1.5 to the power 2. A number can be 2 to the power 2. A number can be 0 to the power 2. A number can be 3 by 2 to the power 2. Also it can be minus 3 by 2 to the power 2. सब कुछ possible है. सबका calculation करने का एक तरीका है. वही हम सीखने वाले हैं. So is base and exponent clear by now? Right? Okay. Let's see some more things. Okay. Can I go ahead? Okay. हाँ, कुछ बोले आप? अच्छा, चलिए. अब देखते हैं कुछ simple calculations which is actually in your R.D. Sharma the first exercise all about simple calculations. But children, in this chapter or in this exercise, you are actually using nothing of exponents. You are not using any law. This is just like a warm up. So this exercise will appear very easy for you. Okay. They'll give you something like, say somebody tells you solve. Somebody tells you solve 11 square. 11 square. So 121, you know that. But for more, it is interesting for us to note that 11 square means 11 is the base and 2 is the exponent. My next step will be to write it as 11 square is 11 multiplied by 11, that is 2 times, which is 121. Is this understood? Very well. Okay. So let's say another question somebody will give. What is 3 to the power 4? 3 to the power 4 means 3 is multiplied 4 times, which is 339, 339, 9 and 9 gives you 81. So far any trouble? Tell me. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया या कुछ भी इशू है? नहीं. So हम कुछ problems करते हैं based on, and I'll write the problems. Don't worry. You see whether you are able to solve them or not. Okay, just some simple problems, and rest we can do for homework. Say somebody tells you to find, somebody tells you solve 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 10. Somebody asked you 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 10. So what do you need to do first? You need to first evaluate what is 2 to the power 3 and then multiply with 10. Possible? So we will go by step. We will write 2 to the power 3 can be written as 3 times multiplication of 2 multiplied by 10. Is this step understood? 2 to the power 3. क्या हो गया? इतना serious क्यों हो गया? Get free. 2 to the power 3 means 2 multiplied by 3 times. Multiplied by 10. 2 multiplied by 3 times is how much? 8. And 8 into 10 is 80. I don't think that these sort of problems anybody will give you. If they give you also, it will be in a calculative range. Nobody will give you what is 347 cube into 10. फिर तो फट्टू हो जाएगा. 347 को आपको 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, जो कि बहुत बड़ा नंबर हो जाएगा. समझ में आया? ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स कर सकते हैं. चलो एक और करके देखते हैं. सपोज किसी ने आपको बोला 0 multiplied by 12 square. You will be an idiot if you cannot solve this. This is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So I think there is not much problem for you to write this. Acha, let's see another problem. It says express as p by q. matlab whatever answer you get, you should give me the answer in a p by q format, whatever I give you, right? So somebody tells you that 2 upon 3 square. Now is it in p by q format? No, it is not in p by q. It is p by q to the power something. So the power has to be, what happened? Uzair feeling very sleepy? Okay, so how do I solve it? It means a 2 by 3 is being multiplied once again with a 2 by 3. Is this understood? Dog square means dog multiplied with dog. 2 by 3 square means 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. Rohan, write some examples. You are not writing anything. How do you absorb everything? So the answer comes how much? 4 by 9, right? And now ask yourself, is my answer in p by q form? Yes, job is done. Somebody may ask, sir, should I reduce it to lowest term? They didn't ask. If you reduce it, you're welcome. If you don't reduce it, still I don't deduct your marks, because what did I ask you to do? बर्तन धो देना, धो के सुखा के रख दिया, बहुत ही अच्छा, वेरी गुड गर्ल. पर बोला नहीं था, करोगे तो some आशीर्वाद I'll give you. If you don't do, I won't scold you also, because I asked you only to wash the utensils. Express as p by q. आपने p by q पे. Suppose this number would have been a 12 by 9. And our Shreyansh says, sir, I reduced it. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Good. If you don't reduce also, heavens don't fall. समझ में आया? ठीक है? तो ऐसे problems आप कर पाएंगे. My hands are itching to go to the next section actually. This is not maths according to me. चलो एक और देखते हैं. One more. Let us see. A negative 3 square is being multiplied with a negative 5 upon 12. है ना? And here I am writing square. अरे अर्नब, when did you come back? कब आए बिट्टू?
Sir, yesterday night.
So where it is more hot, there or here? हाँ, तुम तो यार आए हो अभी, मौसम अच्छा हुआ है. So you are lucky. समझ में आ रहा है? तो क्या पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग?
Yeah, sir,
हाँ, he was quiet, so I thought बैटरी चार्ज नहीं. So ये एक क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास. We have to give our answer in the form of p by q. So you buy, beg, borrow, steal, your answer should land up in a p by q. So let's do this. So here we will be using a lot of brackets. I hope you know. Achha, how do you know the brackets? These are called as round brackets. Okay, these are known as curly brackets or also parentheses, and these are known as square bracket. The idea should be square bracket के अंदर होता है curly, curly के अंदर होता है round. समझ में आया? This is like those डब्बास we get in IKEA ना, बड़ा डब्बा, उसके अंदर one more डब्बा. So first we'll solve this part. So this is already a negative 3. So the right way of doing is a negative 3 multiplied by a negative 3. Right, children? This is further multiplied with what? A negative 5 upon 12 multiplied with another negative 5 upon 12. Unless and until you do calculation error, you should not land up in any sort of problem. So what is a negative 3 multiplied by a negative 3? It gives me a positive 9 multiplied by a negative 5 into negative 5 gives me a positive 25, and a 12 into 12 gives me 144. Now see, there is a trick. Either you can go this way, and if you are smart enough, you should know that we are multiplying 12 and 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. So if I am at your place, when I get matured with this chapter, I won't do this multiplication immediately and I'll hold it in this manner. क्योंकि बर्तन एक ही बार मांजो ना. After eating rice, you are again washing utensil. Again you are taking puri, again you are washing utensil. Then you are a fool. You are hygienic, that's something different, but you're being foolish, right? So now if we do it, 3 times, 3 4 times, right? And again a 3 can cancel this as 4 times. Now it becomes easy. So it becomes 25 divided by 16. Somebody may say, sir, why didn't you write it as 5 square by 4 square? 5 square by 4 square. Then I will say, what was the question? Express as P by Q. So I have expressed as P by Q. Is this clear? समझ में आया? जैसा बोला वैसा आप करोगे. Express as P by Q. एक और आप लोग करोगे? ठीक है? अच्छा. हाँ. Why different answer?
Multiply this.
Sir,
हाँ.
Multiply the minus.
sir, for the 25 by 16 can be simplified to 5 square and 5.
No, you cannot ना. I asked you, बाजार से आम लेके आना. आप आम का अचार लेके आ रहे हो, तो मैं आपको पीटना ही चाहिए ना. थोड़ी प्यार करूंगा. मैंने क्या बोला? गेट मैंगो. ये बोला सर में लाइक मैंगो पिकल. सर ने बोला था क्या? सर सेट P by Q. अच्छा, why? How can you get a different answer?
Multiply the minus 5 by 12. Minus 5.
Still you multiply. Still why will you get what different answer? Ultimately, if you reduce, it has to come this. End of the day. ठीक है? आइए एक और प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. So here slowly we will learn this bracket hygiene. We have to learn this bracket hygiene, how to deal with the brackets. Okay. When you're going at home, you will do example problems. अगर मैंने कर भी लिया फिर भी करेंगे. This chapter has to go through your blood. Usually this is a chapter when earlier years, like say suppose some school has taught it in term 1. You're in grade 8 na, whatever exam comes in, whatever is in exam in term 1 doesn't come in term 2. लेकिन 9 से कैसा हो जाएगा? 9 से the exam will be from cover page to cover page. ठीक है ना? तो हम लोग अभी से there are some chapters in grade 8 which we will do irrespective of your terms, क्योंकि वो that which will be haunting you throughout your graduation days. One of that which is this. समझ में आया? One of that which is linear equation. One of such which is mensuration. ये सब आपको बार बार करना है. स्क्वायर रूट 2 बार नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा आपको, पर ये तो एकदम अच्छे से होना है. ठीक है? आइए एक और नंबर देखते हैं. The number question is negative 2 upon. See, it don't jump steps. Remember one thing. Step jumping, गड़बड़ happening. आप आंसर निकालने की अर्नब, for you this chapter is very very important with a caution note. Don't be in the race to get the answer. कोई मतलब नहीं है मुझे आपका आंसर करेक्ट है तो. अगर आपके स्टेप्स करेक्ट नहीं है, आपके नंबर्स काट लिए जाएंगे. ओके, तो इसमें वो जो YouTube में एकदम डिटेल वीडियो, 1 चम्मच चीनी, you can cut a frame there, 1 चम्मच नमक, this you cannot just skip करोगे नंबर काट लिया जाएगा. -2 upon 5 to the power 3 divided by -3 upon 10 to the power 4. देखो हाँ, 4. Now there will be some magic which will happen here. Nobody expects you to multiply -3 4 times and 10 4 times. That means you are doing some beokufi. You are learning exponents now. Some sort of katakati will happen. Some cancellations will take place. We also know about BODMAS. You know BODMAS? Like you know BODMAS, in abroad they also learn something called PEDMAS, where P is said to be for parenthesis, E for exponents. Okay. So if you see, we have a bracket out here and we should give priority to the bracket, right? So how I solve it is, I will take on my curly bracket. This is a -2 by to the -2 by 5 into another -2 by 5 into another minus 2 by 5. I have kept this in this manner. Agreed? And this is being divided by, so this is being divided by what? Minus 3 by 10 into minus 3 by 10 into minus 3 by 10 into minus 3 by 10. अब धीरे धीरे सीखते हैं चीजों को, ठीक है? ठीक, इतना समझ में आया आपको? Right? Now, can I not write this as one rational number like a minus 2 into a minus 2 into a minus 2 over a 5 into a 5 into a 5? Looks like a 1p by q number. You can say, sir, why are you not solving? Deliberately, I'm not solving. Because I know minus 2, 10, something might happen, 5 and 10, some cancellations. So I'm putting this in this bracket. And I'm dividing it with a minus 3 into a minus 3 into a minus 3 into a minus 3 divided by a 10 into a 10 into a 10 into a 10. Is this possible? Possible, right? Now, rational numbers you have studied, if a upon b is divided by a c upon d, we write a upon b multiplied by d upon c. Is this, ये समझ में आया कि नहीं? हम उल्टा देते हैं उसको. तो ये पूरा है मेरा a by b और वो क्या है? c by d. समझ में आया? नहीं बेटा? c by d. तो अभी c by d को उल्टा सकते हैं, समरसॉल्ट कर दें, उसको उल्टा टांग दें. आइए इसको उल्टा टांगते हैं. A negative 2 multiplied by a negative 2 multiplied by a negative 2, a 5 and a 5 and a 5. Now from next class onwards, next chapter onwards, next exercise onwards, this will become far more easy because we will use laws. A 10 multiplied by a 10 multiplied by a 10 divided by a negative 3 into a negative 3 into a negative 3. Clear, bacha? Right? Now each 5 can take over 10s as 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. This 5 takes this as 2s are 10. Clear? So now you do a negative 2, negative 2, negative 2 is a negative 2 cube, which is negative 8. Negative 8. Negative 8 is being multiplied with positive 8. Right? और नीचे क्या है? Negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3, which will give me negative 27. ठीक है ना? 3 4 बार होना चाहिए. हमने 3 बार लिखा क्या? ओ अच्छा बोला. सो ये हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव 81. वेरी गुड. और ये कहाँ? हाँ 10 भी 4 बार होना चाहिए, है ना? तो 5 भी तो 5 3 बार ही है. चलो sorry. So what do you get? A negative 2 2 2 is a negative 8. A negative 8 multiplied by 2 2 2 is 8 into 10. 8 into 10. And how much is here? Positive 9 into positive 9, which is 81. देखो तो अब तक क्लियर है? Negative 2 negative 2 negative 2 is negative 8, positive 8 and 10. This. अब further कोई reductions? Do you think any further reductions is possible? I don't think so. Because 81 is a multiple of 3 and top में सब even numbers है. और तो कुछ नहीं होगा. श्रेयांश देख तो और कुछ होगा इसमें? है आव्यान और कुछ possible है? No. Right? So can we now do the final hisab kitab? So 8 8 64. 64 multiplied by 10 is 640 divided by 81. But don't forget the darling negative that comes here, because there's a negative out here. So it becomes negative 640 by 81. समझ में आया? ठीक है? लेकिन ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. This is only the first exercise. This hardship we will remove. That's why we are learning the chapter of exponents. ठीक है? So the rest of the problems for exercise 1, I am just putting it up to you as homework, because there is nothing that you will not understand. Somebody might tell you, express one more type. I'll show you. Express prime factorization as a exponential. So 1000. It means you are supposed to do a prime factorization of 1000. आता है ना? 1000 का prime factorization कर लो भैया. कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? 2 से करेंगे तो 500. 500 को करेंगे तो 250. 250 को करेंगे तो 125. फिर इसको क्या 5 से करेंगे 25. 5 से करेंगे 5. 5 1s are 5. तो 1000 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 5, लेकिन इतना नहीं लिखेंगे, इसको लिखेंगे 2 क्यूब इंटू
2 cube into 5 cube.
बस। तो ये वाला एक्सरसाइज भाई साहब घर पे कर लेना, इसमें कुछ करने, अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो मुझे पूछना। There is nothing for me to do in this. Here you will be only learning show exponential in expanded, show expanded in exponential. इसमें तो मजा नहीं है, मजा comes from our next exercise. Shall we? चले, आइए यहां से एकदम अटेंशन डालना शुरू कर दीजिए, बिकॉज नाउ द मेन मूवी स्टार्ट्स, चैप्टर 2, राइट? Okay. From here we learn, and this is where the chapter starts, which is known as laws of exponent. पहले कुछ laws सीखते हैं, और ये law आपको एकदम याद हो जाने चाहिए. Laws of exponent. They might teach 1 or 2 less in grade 8. We will learn all. The first law is a product law which tells you if you are multiplying two numbers with exponent such that their bases are same. कैसा है? बेस सेम होगा लेकिन एक्सपोनेंट अलग अलग होगा. समथिंग लाइक मगनलाल स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मगनलाल क्यूब, बेसेस आर सेम, एक्सपोनेंट्स आर डिफरेंट. समझ में आया ना? सो आई कैन राइट a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. Have you understood? Bases are same, exponents are different. तो यहाँ पे हम अलग कलर से लिख भी सकते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकते हैं? Bases same. And what do we write here? Exponents. यहां से एकदम ध्यान से पढ़िए बच्चा. Exponents differ. ऐसे केस में till now if this problem was given to you and say suppose you don't know laws और आपने सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज 1 किया है, इसका एक एग्जांपल भी लेते हैं साथ में. हाँ, इसका एक एग्जांपल भी लेते हैं. एग्जांपल है 2 स्क्वायर को हम 2 क्यूब के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है ना? बाय नाउ व्हाट विल यू डू? By now we don't have a mixer grinder. हमारे पास चक्की है ना, pieces and piecing. So how we will piecing? 2 into 2. Piecing does not mean the urinal piecing. This is Hindi piecing. Grinding. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. ऐसे करेंगे, गधा मजूरी करेंगे. फिर क्या करेंगे? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 8, 8 into 2 16 into 2 32. ऐसे करेंगे हम, है ना? इसको 4 लिखेंगे और इसको क्या लिखेंगे? इसको 8 लिखेंगे. Ultimately 32. So this is Dachau way of doing, right? Now we learn our first law. पहला law हमें कहता है अगर bases same है, Maganlal to the power m into Maganlal to the power n, retain the Maganlal and add the exponents. ठीक है? आइए इस लॉ को करके देखते हैं. यहां पे इस लॉ के मुताबिक this should have been retain the Maganlal and add the exponents. So this should become 2 to the power 5. Just do 2 to the power 5, that is 32. तो लिख लीजिए. फर्स्ट लॉ, a to the power m into a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. In some books it will be x to the power a into x to the power b is x to the power a plus b. Means they are writing as Chhaganlal to the power a into Chhaganlal to the power b is Chhaganlal to the power a plus b. जैसा आपको मर्जी. ठीक है? मैं अपने स्कूल के जीवन में ये करके सीखा. a फॉर अच्छा, b फॉर बीमार, c फॉर खाए डंडा चार, है ना? तो इसलिए मैं ऐसे ही सिखाता हूं. समझ में आ गया? अगला लॉ सीखे. हाँ सर, बोलिए सर. बेटा 7-8 लॉ है, किताब में 4-5 रहेगा, लेकिन मैं तो सब ठूसूंगा. ठीक है? हाँ सर. कौन सा? अभी मैंने जो लिखा था, चश्मा मेरा वाला भी दूं क्या? दिख नहीं रहा है? a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. प्लस कहां दिख रहा है तुम्हें यहाँ पे? हाँ, a to the power m plus n. हाँ, m plus n mn होता है क्या? पकड़. m into n is mn. m plus n is m plus n. My bad. कल बुलाया नहीं क्या? कल जमाई का प्यार नहीं हुआ क्या? कल मिठाई उठाई नहीं मिला कल? ठीक है, आगे चले. अर्णव पता है ना प्रतीत कहां पे है? अर्णव, वो प्रतीत है, वो कहां पे है पता है? He's enjoying hospitality of ससुराल. हाँ, He is at his in-laws place.
Sir,
हाँ
sir, that here, why?
हाँ,
Oh.
that means
Yes, sir.
अब मैं तो बोला वो ससुराल का, वो वाइफ होना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसा क्या है? हाँ, ससुराल का प्यार। अभी शायद उसका बुकिंग करके रखा है, नहीं तो जेल जाएगा ना, अंडर एज मैरिज में बाल विवाह हो जाएगा उसका, है ना। ये है फ्यूचरिस्टिक जमाई है। आजा, ये समझ में आया पहला वाला लॉ? आ जाओ दूसरा वाला लॉ। दूसरा लॉ इज सिंपल, अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई देखेंगे तो नेक्स्ट वाला डिवाइड देखेंगे, ठीक है ना। Maganlal to the power m divided by Maganlal to the power n is Maganlal to the power m minus n. मल्टीप्लाई में ऐड होता है, डिवीजन में माइनस होता है। तो बोलोगे सर इसका भी एक तो एग्जांपल देके दिखाइए। अब क्या करे बच्चा लोग। 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 2. So first we'll do by the Gadha way. This is 8 divided by 4, which should be equal to how much? 2, right? So we use our law. Our law will be retain the Maganlal and do 3 minus 2, which is 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2 is multiplied only once. 2. 2 to the power 1 का वैल्यू कितना होता है? 2 है ना, होगा। समझ में आया? बहुत अच्छा। ये दो समझ में आ गया आपको? आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं। आगे बढ़ते हैं। लॉ नंबर 3, लॉ नंबर 3 चले। Maganlal to the power m to the power n. First understand, Maganlal to the power m, then the whole thing is again to the power n. समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ, so this will become Maganlal to the power mn. ये क्या हो जाता है? Maganlal to the power mn. सर इसका भी एक एग्जाम्पल दिखाइए। क्या करें, एग्जाम्पल दिखाना पड़ेगा ना। 2 to the power 2 और यहां पे हमने लिखा 2 to the power 3। पहले गधा वे में करें इसको। गधे वे में करने से ये हो जाना चाहिए 2 to the power 2 is 4 and 4 to the power 3. Do you agree? 4 to the power 3 is 4 4 16 4 64। समझ में आया? हमारा लॉ कहता है डोंट डू ऑल दिस नॉनसेंस, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 2 and 3, it becomes 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 32 multiplied by another 2 is 64. My English is very bad, you know. 64. समझ में आया? है तो सोया नहीं तो रात भर मूवी देखा होगा। क्या क्या बोलते हो? नहीं, ऑनेस्ट ऑनेस्ट, दिल पे हाथ रखे। क्या क्या रात को कितने बजे सोया? 10 बजे। तो क्या इतना नींद क्यों? आई एम नॉट सीइंग यू दैट awake as you every day are. There is a bit of sleep radiating in your eyes. क्या हुआ? मच्छर काटा रात को? बात चौकीदारी किया एन टावर का, फिर सुबह जल्दी उठा, फिर नींद क्यों आ रहा है? You can, don't hide. There is some sort of sleepiness in you. Why? पिक्चर देखा 100% रात को, लेट नाइट है। समझ में आया ये वाला लॉ? तो क्या क्या लॉ आपने सीखा? मैगन टू द पावर m into मैगन टू द पावर n is मैगन टू द पावर m plus n. मैगन टू द पावर m divided by मैगन टू द पावर n is मैगन टू द पावर m minus n. मैगन टू द पावर n into m is मैगन टू द पावर mn. ठीक है ना? आइए लॉ नंबर 4, मैगन एंड छैगन टू द पावर m. मैगन एंड छैगन as a product to the power m. This is same as, now here first time we are having exponents same but bases different. Exponents same, bases different. ये बन जाता है a to the power m into b to the power m. यानी कि मैं कहूंगा इसको आप उल्टा के लिखो तो ज्यादा बेटर होता है। मान लो you have मैगन to the power m into छैगन to the power m, then you can multiply मैगन and छैगन and make it to the power m, which is basically अब a m, अब a into m. समझ में आया? अच्छा, इन दोनों में फर्क क्या देखने में आ रहा है? यहां पे बेस सेम था, एक्सपोनेंस डिफर हो रहा था। यहां पे हम क्या देखेंगे? बेसेस डिफर। अच्छा, केमिस्ट्री में भी एक बेस पर हो गया, वो ये अलग है। यहाँ पे एक्सपोनेंट क्या है? छा गए तुम लोग यार, बड़े 30 मार्क का बच्चे हो तुम लोग यार, क्या पुट्टे हैं तुम लोग। आगे बढ़े, इसको एक एग्जाम्पल से देखें तो एग्जाम्पल इस बार कैसा होगा, Magan to the power 2 into Chagan to the power 2. Let's do it by the Gadha way. Gadha way will give me 4 multiplied by 9, which should be how much? 36. But my law says, you idiot, you should multiply Magan and Chagan and keep the exponent common, which is 6 square, which is also equal to 36. समझ में आ रहा है शेंस? बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया। उस दिन रात को मैं श्रेयांश के स्कूल के आजू बाजू में घूम रहा था, डीपीएस एरो सिटी। एक्चुअली एयरपोर्ट से मुझे मेरे वाइफ को उठाना था, और मैं एयरपोर्ट में कभी भी पार्किंग नहीं देता हूँ, तो मैं उधर उधर घूमते रहता हूँ। तो कुछ टाइम पास करने का कुछ नहीं था, दिखा रहा था एरो सिटी इस साइड, वो वहीं जाके चला गया गाड़ी लेके, कुछ करने को नहीं है ना। यू कैन पार्क ऑन द रोड and then you keep some, or else there is decathlon. हाँ, टाइम पास करने के लिए डिकाथलॉन है, तो ऐसे ही घूमते रहो। तो मैंने सोचा मेरे बच्चे का स्कूल है, स्कूल ही देख लो रात को, तो इसके स्कूल के सामने चला गया। अच्छा, ये समझ में आया चौथा लॉ? क्या क्या लॉ आपने सीखा? a to the power m into b to the power m? No, ab to the power m, a to the power m, a to the power n, a m plus n, a m minus n। उसके बाद हमने क्या देखा? तीसरा वाला लॉ ए एम एन, फिर देखा अभी एम, अभी एम। ठीक है, आइए लॉ नंबर 5, गजब लॉ है ये। लॉ सुनने के बाद बहुत बच्चे हॉस्पिटल ले जाना पड़ा, सलाइन देना पड़ा। ये लॉ कहता है कि अगर ए के ऊपर मोतीचूर का लड्डू दे दो ना, तो वो 1 बन जाता है। a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now people actually, what they do, they rectify this. We will see why it is like that. We'll see that. Why a to the power 0 is equal to 1. We'll see that also. Don't worry. अभी लिख लो, ठीक है? This is very important. Anything's exponent 0 is 1. Dog to the power 0, no matter whatever is in at the base, minus, plus, integer, point, root, ढिमकाना to the power 0, वो 1 ही होगा। He is also 1. समझ में आया? आइए, 0 to the power 0 is not 1. 0 तो 0 ही है। हाँ बोलो बेटा, क्या क्वेश्चन है?
What is 0 to the power 0?
0 to 0 0 ही है, 0 खुद ही 0 है। ठीक है, आइए नंबर 6। नंबर 6 इज Magan to the power minus m. Magan to the power minus m. Right? Magan to the power minus m is 1 by Magan to the power m. 1 by Magan to the power m. समझ में आया? Right? तो इनके कुछ एग्जांपल्स देख लेते हैं। यहां अगर कोई 2 to the power 0 लिखेगा तो वो 1 है, और यहां अगर कोई 2 to the power minus 1 लिखा तो इसका मतलब है वो है 1 by 2 to the power 1, which is 1 upon 2। इतना समझ में आया? आइए इन दोनों को थोड़ा सा डीपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग से देखते हैं कि ये सब होता कैसे है। ये सब बेसिकली इसके ऊपर ही होता है। चलें थोड़ा सा, आइए पहला ये लॉ देखते हैं, a to the power minus m। ठीक है, इसको मैंने क्या बोला? ये क्या होता है बताओ? 1 by a to the power m, ये होता है ना? अब ये आता कैसे है? इस चीज को मैं थोड़ा सा चेंज करके ऐसे लिख सकता हूं। व्हाट इज माइनस एम? 0 minus m is minus m, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 minus dog is minus dog। सो रहा है वो, लाजा बेटा सो रहा है। तो a to the power 0 minus m is what? a to the power minus m। ठीक है, इसको फिर लॉ रिवर्स लॉ लगाता हूं, मैगन चैगन। इज दिस नॉट a to the power 0, a to the power 0 divided by a to the power m, going by our second law? a to the power 0 divided by a to the power m, Magan to the power 0 divided by Magan to the power m is Magan to the power 0 minus m. Remember your second law? याद नहीं है तो याद कर ठाकुर याद कर। ठीक है ना? याद है? आइए चलिए आगे, ये याद है? राइट। आइए इसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिखते हैं। इसका मतलब है हमारे थ्रोन के ऊपर बैठेगा ये और जमीन के नीचे बैठेगा ये। अभी अभी आपने एक लॉ पढ़ा कि एनीथिंग टू द पावर 0 इज 1, और यहां आपके मुंह पे हंसी आ जानी चाहिए कि ये चीज ऐसा कैसे होता है। समझें? Understood? This is I'm now showing you why this becomes this. समझे? समझ गया? हाँ सर, बोलिए सर। क्या चीज समझ में नहीं आया? a to the power minus m is written as a to the power 0 minus m। समझ में आया? पहला तो तुम टेबल चेयर में बैठो, बिस्तर में बैठ के पढ़ते हो, a to the power 0 minus m। समझ में आया? a to the power 0 minus m is a to the power 0 divided by a to the power m. This is the second law. Dog divided by cat is what? Dog by cat. ये नहीं आता है तो ग्रेड 1 जाओ, ग्रेड 2। डॉग का वैल्यू क्या है? a to the power 0। जस्ट नाउ the last law that you last but one law क्या सीखा था? Anything to the power 0 is 1। वो पेन देख रहा है, इधर देख रहा है, उधर देख रहा है, सोच रहा है शाम को माता जी खिलाएगी मिठाई, तो कहाँ यहाँ पे ध्यान है ना? अर्नब को देखो, अर्नब को अभी भी ससुराल नहीं मिला, इसलिए पढ़ाई में कितना अच्छा है, ध्यान देता है ना? उसको मिल गया है इसलिए वो ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है। आ जाओ, अगला वाला लॉ देखें। एक और लॉ था हमारे पास। व्हाट वाज आवर लॉ? a to the power 0 is equal to 1। we said this। shall we see how this comes? क्या इसको मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूं? a to the power m into, इसको ऐसे लिखूं, a to the power m minus m। a to the power 0 को ये लिख सकता हूं ना? a to the power 0 can be written as a to the power m minus m। m minus m is 0 ना? क्या मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूं? Magen to the power m by Magen to the power m is Magen to the power m minus m। Dog divided by cat is what? Dog divided by meow cat। Both are same, I can cancel them। Is this not equal to 1? That's why a to the power 0 is 1। रूहान बेटा, यहाँ पे कोई दर्द है, यहाँ पे कोई घूंघट लगा के ऐसे होता है। हाँ, छोटी बिटिया के ब्याह हो गई ना, बहुत गाँव में ऐसे ही रहता है। कलम से लिखिए ना, ये क्या है बेटा? यहाँ कुछ गम लगा के बैठते हैं। होता है ना गांव में, विलेज में लेडी घूंघट लेके नाम है, हाँ जानते हैं, दिनेश के पापा से पूछिए क्या हो गया उसकी। होता है ना ऐसे। हाँ, पंचायत जैसा रहता है ना। अब हम सुखदेव के भौजाई को तो बोल नहीं सकते उसको क्या हुआ है शादी, हम ना कैसे जाने। समझ आया? लॉज हो गया। एक बार फटाक से सारे लॉज को लिख लें अभी सुंदर से। आइए, सच्चे हिंदुस्तानी की तरह। अच्छा, क्या कहानी सुनते रहते हो बैठ के? आओ, सारे लॉज को एक बार लिख ले, जितना लिखोगे। और इन 1 मिनट ना, इन लॉज को प्लीज, इन लॉज को, इन लॉज मतलब ससुराल जैसे, इन लॉज, these laws, now whatever I'll say you will laugh, whatever I'll say you will laugh, but believe me, had you come to my house a month or 2 back, you would have seen this practice in my house also। okay, remember, slowly you are getting into that zone where you will learn many things which you have to remember, and you are aging. As you age, your memorizing, that is mugging up capacity, goes down. You used to mug up very nice as a toddler, but what increases is your reasoning capability. Like, you may not remember what is a to the power 0, but you do know how to prove that a to the power 0. These laws of exponent, though one more law is there. Children, take a A4 size paper and half it up, okay, and write your laws of exponents. Have you understood? The study table where you sit, it's something like this। अब जो भी बोलूंगा हंसोगे, लेकिन जो मैं बोल रहा हूं वो एकदम सही है। दिस इज योर स्टडी टेबल वेयर यू आर सिटिंग। सम वॉल और समथिंग मे बी देयर, लगा के रख दो। जितना आप देखोगे, सिर्फ यही नहीं, और एक जगह बोल रहा हूं, यहीं से हंसना शुरू करोगे। दिस इज योर मिरर एंड दिस इज योर वॉश बेसिन। अंडरस्टूड? यहां तुम खड़े होकर मिरर में टीथ ब्रश करते रहते हो ना, ये मिरर के पास भी लगा लो। दीदी दीदी करती थी, देखो वो मेरी स्टूडेंट थी। थर्ड, दिस इज योर WC, ये तुम्हारा WC है, और यहाँ वॉश योर टॉयलेट सीट, या तुम बैठते हो, ठीक है ना। इसके पास में जो वॉल है ना, वहां भी लगा के रखो एक। कुछ नहीं पीटेंगे, बोलो मैंने बोला है। द रीजन इज व्हाट यू नो, whenever you are idle and you keep seeing a thing, that thing gets into your memory. Now I'll give you a proof. Now you are coming to my house for how many months? Say from April, May, this is going to be June. Imagine in front of my house there is a neighbor just in front of my flat who has a yellow cycle parked in front of his house. Do you all go to his house? No, you all come to my house. But you all see that yellow cycle every day. Do you all touch it? No, that is none of your business. One fine day that yellow cycle is missing. Out of 9 of you, at least 3 of you will tell me, सर क्या हुआ, वो लोग चले गए क्या, वो साइकिल नहीं है। हमने लेकिन 3 महीने में कभी उस साइकिल की बात नहीं की है। बिकॉज इन योर मेमोरी इट मीन्स जयदीप सर्स हाउस मीन्स उसके सामने एक येलो साइकिल खड़ा रहता है। जब आपसे कोई स्टूडेंट बोलेगा a to the power minus m is 1 by a to the power minus m, then you will fight with that friend of yours saying, मैं रोज बैठते दांत मांजते देखते रहता हूं, तुम गलत हो ही नहीं सकता हो। It is in my memory, embedded. Now just recall, try to recall your bathroom, everyone. In your wash basin के ऊपर कोई टाइल रहेगा जहां पे एक मार्क है या something is there. Do you remember it every day in your daily life? No, but whenever you go to your washroom, that mark does come to your mind. है कि नहीं? This is called memory. और इन फॉर्मूलाज में अगर कोई एक फॉर्मूला है जो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो उसको थोड़ा सा हैशटैग ऐसे करके रखो, ये मुझे याद नहीं होता है, out of 7 this one, then you can fight and tell others, I remember. That's why good children, they will fight with you. This problem is in our textbook. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, नीचे है, इतना मेमोरी शार्प है। हंसने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूं, because every time you do this, it gets into your memory. And these chapters will go on coming. In grade 11, you will get 36 formulas in one. Possible है 36 formula रट मार के याद करना? 36 पॉसिबल है आपको याद रहना? नहीं ना? I still fumble. अब मेरे घर में भी आओगे, मेरे टेबल के ऊपर लगा हुआ रहता है, तो ये हंसने की चीज नहीं है। What you see every day gets embedded in your memory, and these are new to you. By the time you pass half the class, that is half of grade 8, this will get in you. तब ये मिटा देने का, सिनेमा हॉल जैसा, फिर नया पोस्टर डालने का, नया मूवी। Have you understood? So all these laws, write them on A4 sheet paper, and if you are too lazy and you have a printer at home, so just Google and say what laws of exponent. It will print you as many times, but I will discourage that even if you have a printer, because the more you write, the more you learn, and the more you remember. Origami जानते हो? Origami अगर मैं अपने हाथ से करूँ ना, it appears very easy. I can make that lizard very quickly. But if you see me after the 4th step, you'll say, sir, पीछे दिखाइए कैसे किया था? Because you are on. That's why in the early morning I told you all to open books. Seeing is easy. Seeing and doing, you remember it throughout your life. I can make puris in front of you and keep on talking. The time I give you the first puri to roll, गोल नहीं होगा बेटू, क्योंकि आप हाथ से नहीं कर रहे हो। ठीक है, चलिए फिर हाथ से एक बार सारे लॉस को लिख लेते हैं, जो जो लॉस हमने अब तक सीखा है। आइए, और हमारे लॉस हैं। अरे भाई, तुमको लाल रंग से इतना क्या प्यार है। हाँ चलो, आवर फर्स्ट लॉ, a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, a to the power m minus n. तीसरा, a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power aman. Fourth law, a to the power m into b to the power m, ये भी yum. Fifth law, a to the power laddu is equal to 1. Sixth law, a to the power minus m is 1 by a to the power m. इतना तक हमने लिखा है शायद, है ना? अब एक 7th लॉ भी सीख लेते हैं। ठीक है, 7th लॉ एक्चुअली आप लोग जानते हो, थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़े हो, लेकिन उसको जनरलाइज करना है। क्या करना है? जनरलाइज। चल भी आ जाओ। जैसे लिखते हैं स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए, को हम क्या लिखते हैं, रूट ऑफ ए, स्क्वायर नहीं लिखते हैं ना, करेक्ट। इसको हम लिख सकते हैं a to the power half. Our class is at 11 o'clock, darling, for today. It was on the parent forum, darling. Oh, okay. इसे जानते हो ना?
Biggest telling me.
अच्छा, a to the power half. A very good boy. अच्छा है वो पढ़ाई में. His sister was also very good. पीहू हमारे स्कूल से. ठीक है, चलें. Similarly, we also studied something called cube root of a, which is we have to mention the a. So it is a to the power what beta? 1/3. Right? You can have a fourth root of a also, which can be written as a fourth root of a, can be written as a to the power 1/4. And in similar lines, if I have a dog, dogth root of a, it is a to the power 1 by dog. That means if you have an nth root of a, it can be written as a to the power 1 by n. This is the law that we are going to write. Number 7. Number 7 says the nth root of a can be written as a to the power 1 by n. डॉग वाला एग्जांपल बहुत काम में आता है भैया, है ना? हाँ, क्लास 12 को भी डॉग से ही पढ़ाते हैं. आप देखना वीडियोस में, वहां पे लिखा रहेगा सब डॉग, डॉग टू द पावर कैट, कैट टू द पावर. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. So today, your next class, when you are coming to my class, you will come with your this R.D. Sharma and your book. I am not going to do any problems on law of exponent today. Your homework for the day is open up this book and do the solved examples of the previous one, which were very easy ones, which we were doing. समझ में आ रहा है ना? And also exercise रहेगा जिसमें it will say solve bracket 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 and make cutouts of this and do the pasting. समझ में आया? So that next class when we are doing and I say what is a to the power m into a to the power n, तब आप पलटिंग 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 पिछला क्लास looking, not allowing. It should come from your, yes, when you come to the class LMG is cocked, फायरिंग होना चाहिए तभी तभी. हाँ हाँ सर, लाइए जरा गोली लोड कीजिए, खोलिए मैगजीन खोलिए, तब तक आपको मार देगा. It is close quarter battle. If you don't kill, he kills you. So you have to come एकदम loaded. ठीक है? तो आज इसके ऊपर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेंगे. अर्णव, होमवर्क समझ में आ गया ना? पहला वाला एक्सरसाइज करना है. पहले वाले एक्सरसाइज, अरे 3.2 करने कौन बोला तुमको? 3.1 और 3.1 से पहले जो सॉल्वेड एग्जांपल्स है, सॉल्वेड मतलब समझे ना? सॉल्व, हाँ, मेरा इंग्लिश अच्छा नहीं है. सॉल्वेड एग्जांपल्स एंड 3.1 अगर आप नहीं करके आएंगे ना, फ्रॉम नाउ यू आर ग्रोइंग बिगर और यू आर ग्रोइंग एल्डर. आई विल नो मोर से हैव यू डन, यू हैव नॉट अपलोडेड, गेट आउट ऑफ द क्लास. अब वो टाइम गया. Now your schools have opened. In another 3 months, for me, you are grade 9 students. So I won't go on telling you, you did it, you uploaded, you didn't upload. It adds value to you. Don't upload. It doesn't add value to you. Does it add 1 rupee to me? No. Did I receive your fee? Yes. What goes to me? Nothing. पढ़ना है तो पढ़ो, नहीं पढ़ना है तो पढ़ो. लेकिन कुछ भी पूछोगे, मैं बहुत हेल्प करूंगा. कुछ गलत करोगे, why should I increase my BP? That's what I do with grade 9 now. Okay, so please do the solved examples of 3.1 and do 3.1 and you प्रतीत, तुम्हारे पिछले बुक में भी वही रहेगा, कर लो. और इन लॉज का जो मैंने बोला ना, इन लॉज, ये ससुराल वालों को एक सुंदर पेज में लिख के हाफ करके, जहां जहां आपको लगे कि मैं वहां लगाने, अभी कोई बोलेगा सर मैं ना वो मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड के घर के दरवाजे पे बहुत जाता हूं, तो उसके दरवाजे में भी एक लगा लो, है ना? टाइम स्कूल के बस के दरवाजे में एक लगा लो, चढ़ते वक्त देख देख के उठोगे. ठीक है? रत्नदीप में एक लगा लो, जहां इच्छा. ज्ञान के लिए कोई चीज कम नहीं है, जहां ज्ञान मिल रहा है वहीं से ले लो। राइट हो? इंटरेस्टिंग।